Hi everyone, this is Madison, and I will be comparing Nini's learning theory with mine for Learning Theory Review Part 2. The theory that Nini focuses on is the social learning theory, and the theory that I focused on was the ecological systems theory. To start off, we'll talk about the social learning theory. In this theory, interactions between personal, behavioral, and environmental factors influence learning. Bandura proposed that behavior is learned from the environment through the process of observational learning. He also states that people learn through observations, imitation, and modeling, and the 4 stages in this social learning theory are attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation. And in the graphic, you can see that under attention is stimuli and focus, under retention is rehearsing and encoding, under motor reproduction is practice and feedback, and under motivation is reward and reinforce. And these are 4 of the stages that can contribute to learning. Next is the ecological systems theory, and this was Bronfenbrenner's theory, and he proposes that interactions between the individual and their environment, categorized into various systems, shape their development over time. The development and learning of children is affected by factors within the child in addition to their family and surrounding world. And children's school experiences are not just made up between them and their teacher. And in Bronfenbrenner's theory, he focuses on 5 ecological systems, which are microsystem, exosystem, mesosystem, macrosystem, and chronosystem. So as you can see in the graphic, the individual is right in the center, and the next system is their microsystem, which is the smallest, most immediate environment in which the child lives. And this can include the child's family, health services, church group, neighborhood play area, school, and peers. After that, the next system is the exosystem, and this is a system consisting of extended family members, parents' workplaces, local school boards, media. All of these factors indirectly influence the child. And the pink circle in between the microsystem and the exosystem is the mesosystem, and this system connects the microsystem and the exosystem, and it's the interrelations among 2 or more settings in which the child is an active participant. For example, this could be the relationships among home, school, and the neighborhood. After the exosystem is the macrosystem, and this is the largest and most distant collection of people and places that the child still has that the child is still influenced by. This can include the attitudes and ideologies of the culture, such as laws, morals, values, customs, and worldviews. And lastly is the chronosystem, which is consisted of time, and it's the change or consistency over time in the life of a person. It could demonstrate change and constancy in a child's environment and may directly or indirectly influence them. Now I will compare the 2 theories. Some similarities between the social learning theory and the ecological systems theory is that in both theories the environment shapes the individuals. Another similarity is that individuals are all influenced by the microsystem, so that they have direct influence on an individual by direct environments, family, school, teachers, and more. Some differences are in the social learning theory, Bandura focuses on how behavior shapes the environment, and in the ecological systems theory, Bronfenbrenner focuses on how the environment shapes individuals. Another difference is Bandura in the social learning theory focuses on modeling as an influence of behavior and more on how children model other people. And in the ecological systems theory, Bronfenbrenner focuses on the interactions of environments as well as the indirect influences. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.